Good Monday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on Monday, February the 9th, 2026. Taking a look at your evening weather blog, taking a look at the 6 day forecast. Starting off here, we have a little bit of an active period, or a little more active period, I guess you could call it, throughout this week and weekend. Starting off with Tuesday, we have highs in the 70s again, overnight lows in the 40s. You're going to see an increase of cloud cover compared to today. 20% chance of some showers this Tuesday afternoon. And overnight, there's a 50% chance of some rain showers and some leftovers Wednesday morning. Around 20%. Highs a little cooler in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Overnight lows in the 40s with mostly cloudy skies. Another dry day on Thursday with partly cloudy skies. Highs in the lower 70s and overnight lows in the 40s. On Friday, rain chances increase again, 30% chance with mostly cloudy skies. Highs in the 70s again with overnight lows in the upper 40s. Then as we go into Saturday, chances of some thunderstorms. I think we have a better chance of heavy rain right now than severe weather. The severe weather chance may stay just to the south of Arkansas down in Louisiana. We'll watch it closely, but right now it just looks like instability is going to be on the weaker side. There's still some questions and uncertainty with that, but I think right now the main threat for us would be heavy rainfall on Saturday. We'll keep an eye on maybe a stronger storm or two with a 90% chance of some rainfall. Highs in the upper 60s, overnight lows in the lower 40s, then mostly sunny skies on Sunday with highs in the 60s and a 10% chance of some leftover showers. Overnight lows in the upper 30s. Real quickly, let's take a look at some of the data behind this and talk about the possibility or what we're seeing with this. Once again, what you're looking at here on this map is the 500 millibar level heights. And this shows pretty much just the upper atmosphere, mid to upper atmosphere, and this gives us a good idea of just where our systems are at. So, for example, the system that's moving in, we'll label it system number 1. You can see here this L, this red L down here in the Mexico area as of earlier today. This is going to be our system that's going to be moving towards us tomorrow. Into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's just going to help bring some small rain chances. And then watch off the coast of California here. As we go into the second half of this week, another system starts to make its way towards us. This one a little more well-defined as we go into this weekend. And that's going to be our next big rainmaker this weekend. This is Sunday. Saturday into Sunday night is what this is showing. But another low-level pressure system or another system there moving through our region, and that's going to help bring some rain chances through this time frame. Then you can kind of see maybe some ridging as we go into the first half of that next week according to that. But let's take a look at the weather prediction centers, just overall precipitation outlooks over the next 24 hours, or well, really over the next 48 hours. You can see maybe a tenth of an inch of rainfall in some higher end cases. This is back down some from earlier. But the biggest story is as we go into Monday of next week, maybe 2 to maybe 3 inches of rainfall being a possibility through this weekend, with most of this coming over the end of the week. And if we look at this on Saturday, you can kind of see this is showing, 2 inches, maybe even 3 inches over the weekend. And through Monday or 7-day precipitation totals, there you can see 2 to 3 inches of rainfall could be a good possibility through the weekend. So some good rainfall, much needed rainfall as we continue to need to try to get out of this drought that we're in. I know for a lot of people, you got water on the ground. Your ground's muddy, soil's wet, it seems like. Biggest thing is a lot of that ice and sleet, snow, whatever it was, or whatever you had, because everybody had something different in some locations. When that melted, a lot of that didn't seep into the ground. A lot of it just, didn't get into the surface or didn't get down into the soil. And we need a lot of moisture to get us back out of this. We are sitting around 8 to 10 inches in the last 90 days below normal for this time of year in a deficit. So we are very dry. We've had some small wildfires pop up here and there across different portions of the region. So even it seems it's wet, seems like we shouldn't have any issues, it's still very dry. You got to be cautious of that. So let's go take a look at what futurecasts could possibly look like as we move forward here into the next couple of days. And one thing you're going to see here with the X-Trip model, This is going to help show us some potential rain chances as we go in to that time frame there. You can see that is it's tomorrow morning and into the day tomorrow. Kind of some small chances of rain really increasing that afternoon and into that evening and overnight there, decreasing as we go into your day there on Wednesday. Once again, the biggest story with that's going to be just continuing to keep an eye out for those chances of precipitation tomorrow. Like I said, not a whole lot, but just enough to make it bring out the umbrellas possibly tomorrow evening as we go into tomorrow or as we go into tomorrow night and Wednesday. Taking another look here at the European model for the later half of this week. This is going to show us as we go forward here. There's those rain chances on the European model into Wednesday morning, or really Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. As you can see here as we go into Friday, this wants to bring some small rain chances Friday evening and into Saturday with some heavier chances of rainfall as that system moves through, with that maybe on the back end before it moves out Sunday. That's just a quick little look at that. Like we said, right now the severe weather threat looks to just be a little further south across the Louisiana, Texas area, but we'll keep a close eye on it. It's going to be really close right now. The instability is the biggest uncertainty with that. Overall, I don't think it's a major severe threat at this time. Looks more like a heavy rainfall event currently. Like I said, though, we'll keep you updated with the newest on that. That's all we have for this evening's weather blog. As always, we want to say big thanks to all of our sponsors. J&S Auto Supply, bumper to bumper. Check them out in Murfreesboro, Arkansas, if you're in need of any car supplies. And make sure to check out Landmark Insurance Agency by giving them a call or contacting them over in Nashville, Arkansas. And make sure to call Palmer's Roofing if you're in need of any roofing needs, definitely after all this winter weather. And Patterson's Credit Union in Arkadelphia if you need to make a new or need to open up a new bank account. If you own a business and you're interested in joining these four companies here, feel free to contact us. As always, we want to say big thanks to all of our supporters and followers who help us get this information out there, and we are very thankful for all of you as well. If you're new here and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime we upload, and make sure to hit that like button. Check us out over on Facebook and Instagram, as that's where, Facebook's our main source, as well as TikTok. Make sure to check us out over there as well. As always, have a great rest of your Monday evening. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.